Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to extract statements from a Barclays account in 2025. Whether you're managing your budget, preparing for taxes, or just staying on top of your finances, knowing how to access your statements quickly is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First off, ensure you have everything you need: a stable internet connection, your Barclays login credentials, and a device like your smartphone or computer. For security, always use two-factor authentication if it's enabled. Step 1. Open the Barclays mobile app or head to the official Barclays website. Log in with your username and password. In 2025, Barclays has streamlined their interface, so it should feel intuitive and user-friendly. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Statements section. This is usually found in the main menu or dashboard. Look for icons like a graph or a document folder. Step 3. Select the specific account you want statements for. If you have multiple accounts, double-check to pick the right one. Step 4. Choose your desired date range. Barclays allows options like monthly, quarterly, or custom periods, making it flexible for your needs. Step 5. Hit the Download or View button. Your statement will generate as a PDF or secure file. Save it immediately to a protected folder on your device to avoid any mix-ups. If you run into issues, like login problems or errors, check the help center on the app or website, or contact Barclays support directly. Remember, this process is designed to be secure and efficient, so always log out after you're done. There you have it. Extracting statements from your Barclays account is straightforward and empowers you to manage your finances better. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.